Hello family! Welcome to a new Technoc Reviews video. Today we're going to show you top 3 best mechanical keyboards on Aliexpress in 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like. The Shark X85 Bluetooth mechanical keyboard is a cutting-edge, tri-mode keyboard designed for gamers and professionals alike, featuring seamless connectivity via Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or wired connections. Its standout feature is the highly bright TFT color screen, which displays time, date, battery status, and connectivity details, while also allowing customization with GIFs and images. The keyboard's metal knob enables quick volume adjustments, enhancing your gaming or office experience. With RGB full-color backlighting, users can enjoy multiple light effects synchronized to music, making it perfect for dynamic environments. The PBT2 color keycaps offer durability and comfort, while the full-key hot-swappable design allows for easy customization of mechanical switches. The keyboard employs a gasket leaf spring structure for optimized sound and feel, complemented by a large 5000 mAh lithium battery for extended use without frequent charging. Available in 2 versions, the M75 features a smooth linear axis for balanced performance, while the M75 Pro offers a tactile experience with its self-developed WUMEIZI axis. Whether you're gaming or typing, the X85 delivers exceptional performance and customization options to meet all your needs. The GK410 mechanical keyboard offers 2 distinct versions: a black standard model that is not hot-swappable and a white hot-swap model for those seeking customization. Ideal for gamers and typists, the GK410 features 4 types of switches: red, green, blue, and black, catering to different preferences. With support for multiple languages, including English, Russian, and Korean, this keyboard is versatile for users worldwide. It boasts 20 vibrant lighting modes, allowing for a dynamic RGB experience as each keycap shines in various colors. Unique to the GK410, both the English and non-English characters on the keycaps are transparent, ensuring visibility in low-light settings. You can even personalize the lighting effects with a self-defined mode for specific games, enhancing your gaming setup with flair and functionality. Whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or tablet, this keyboard combines style and performance for an exceptional typing experience. The LT84 mechanical keyboard is a versatile 84-key gaming accessory designed for both functionality and style. It features a hot-swappable design that allows you to customize your switches with ease, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. With 3 connection modes, 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C wired, this keyboard is compatible with a variety of devices, including desktops, laptops, and tablets. Weighing only 0.9 kilograms, the LT84 is lightweight yet sturdy, crafted from durable ABS material. Its vibrant RGB backlighting offers a stunning visual experience, with customizable effects to match your setup or mood. The keyboard supports simultaneous connections with up to 3 devices, making it easy to switch between your gaming rig and other gadgets. Available in several eye-catching colors like white, sky, twilight, denier, and dawn, the LT84 combines aesthetic appeal with practical features, including a convenient control knob for quick adjustments. Although it doesn't have waterproof capabilities, its mechanical key technology ensures a satisfying typing experience, making it an excellent choice for gamers and typists alike.